Welcome guys, welcome back to another video. I'm Jish and today I'm showing you my new workshop. You may not think of a container when you think workshop, but let's take a look inside and I'll show you what it's all about. Come on in. Right, it's a little bit echoey, so it may not look like much now. Give me a few months and this place will be a full-fledged motorcycle workshop. We need to do some building work, we need to get some stuff put on the walls. This motorcycle ramp, we're going to clean it up. It's another thing that obviously the last workshop has been lacking. And the reason we're moving out of that workshop is I'm now no longer welcome there and I just needed my own space really. This came up, follow along, subscribe to the channel and let's see what we can do with this space. You don't need to be super close, I don't feel. Do this all day long if I have to. We've got a little hole to live in now. Jesus Christ, what goes on in my brain?